according to their marks. That is our stand.
Nongialam ke Liang Pyrshah ke KHASI uba Tito Starwell Khan ula banjur lo ke jing Donkam banshna ya kamap na ke benta ke jing Trikam jong ke council da ke boong ba ke long kamat ke belasa teng laslam uba Khan ula penpau ya ke jing sngokhia bela shui sa teng ya ke ne kamat la bun snem menta kat bah ke weipat ke Liang ula yero UMDC ke HSPDP uba Australia Rashir ba ula wanra ya ke ne kamat ha ke dorbar mang tingka ke council ke badang Shudam ula ajingmut bakamap kedai ban penpau ya ki hima bat ki elaka beper we executive member jong ke KHADC uba Powell Soklet ula pentikna ba ke executive committee kan sakmi bnia halo ke nega jing terwa.
I'm surprised to hear that as informed by the Honorable MDC from Laban, because during the last area, we have issued permission to this area. So I don't understand why this happened. So I think this new EC or the new chairman of this authority should take up this matter with the state government, especially with the urban affairs department, to settle this issue, because they have given us very clear that the master plan area or the Shillong agglomeration or the master plan area should be implement this building bylaws.